In the previous video, we understood the extend command in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how to make an object longer until they reach to another object or a boundary. Now, in this video, we're going to understand the very important editing command, the offset command. The offset command is used to create a parallel copy of an object to a specific distance. For example, if you want to draw one wall line and you want another wall line inside at the same distance, you can use an offset. If you draw a rectangle and you want another rectangle inside or outside of it, you can use offset. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand offset command in a very simple way. The offset command creates a copy of an object at a fixed distance. Think of it like a second line beside the first line with the same gap everywhere. So if you have one line and you want an offset with the 5 units, AutoCAD create another line with the 5 unit in the same form. The original line stays the same. The new line is created beside it. So the simple way to remember is this. Offset means creating a parallel line at a specific distance. This is not a normal copy. It is a copy with proper spacing. Offset is used a lot in AutoCAD drawings. In a floor plan, offset is used for creating wall thickness. For example, if you draw one wall line, you can offset it and create a second wall line. In mechanical drawings, offset can create parallel edges, inner shapes, outer shapes, and repeated boundaries. In interior layouts, offset can help to create a furniture outlines, counters, shelves, and spacings. So, whenever you need a same shape beside the another shape at a fixed distance, offset is very useful. There are two common ways to start an offset. The first way from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Modify panel. Here you'll find the Offset tool. Click on the Offset tool. Now, look at the command line. AutoCAD asks you to specify the offset distance. This means AutoCAD wants to know how far the new object should be from the original object. The second way to start an offset command by typing. Go to the command line, type O, and press enter. This starts the offset command. So remember, O is a shortcut for offset, just like TR for trim and EX for extend. O is for offset. Typing shortcut is faster, and this is how AutoCAD users work professionally. Now let's understand the basic offset workflow. First, draw a straight line. Now, type O and press enter. AutoCAD asks you for the offset distance. Type 5 and press enter. Now, AutoCAD will ask you to select an object from the offset. Click the line. Now, AutoCAD asks you to specify the side of the offset. Click one side of the line. AutoCAD create a new line 5 units away from the original line. That is the basic idea. Start the offset, enter the distance, select an object, click the side, and AutoCAD create an offset object. The main power of offset is accuracy. If you need a gap of 5 units, and type 5. If you need a gap of 10 units, type 10. If you need a wall thickness of 0.5 feet or 150 millimeters, type that exact value besides your unit setup. Do not guess the distance by your mouse. Offset is useful because it creates equal spacing automatically. So remember, offset is best when you enter the exact distance. Now let's understand a very common example, wall thickness. Imagine you are drawing a simple floor plan. You draw one line for a wall, but wall needs a thickness. So instead of drawing another wall line manually, you can use an offset. Type O and press enter. Enter the wall thickness. For example, type 0.5 if you are working in a feet, or 150 if you are working in millimeters. Select the wall line. Click the side where you want the second wall line. AutoCAD create a wall thickness accurately. This is why offset is one of the most important commands in AutoCAD floor plans. Offset also works with the rectangle and closed shapes. For example, draw a rectangle. Now, start an offset command. Type O and press enter. Enter the distance like 1 unit. Select the rectangle. Now, click inside the rectangle. AutoCAD create a smaller rectangle inside. If you click outside of the rectangle, AutoCAD creates a larger rectangle outside. This is very useful when creating boundaries, frames, room outlines, furniture shapes, and mechanical parts. So, offset is not only for lines. It can also work with the closed shapes. Offset also works with the circle. If you offset a circle outward, AutoCAD creates a larger circle around it. If you offset a circle inwards, AutoCAD creates a smaller circle inside it. This is useful for holes, rings, circular parts, mechanical detail, symbols, and design elements. So the idea is same. Choose the distance, select an object, click the side. For a circle, side means inner or outside. So let's quickly summarize the offset command. The offset command is used to create a parallel copy at a specific distance. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Modify panel. You can also type O and press Enter to start it. First, enter the offset distance. Then, select an object. Then click the side where you want an offset. Offset is very useful for wall thickness, parallel lines, inner and outer shapes, circle, rectangle, and technical drawings. And remember, offset create a new object. It does not move the original object. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Draw one straight line. Type O and press Enter. Type 5 and press Enter. Select the line. Click above the line. Now, AutoCAD creates a parallel line with a 5 units away. Try again and click below the original line. Now, draw a rectangle. Use offset with a distance of 1. Click inside the rectangle to create smaller rectangle. Then try again and click outside of the rectangle to create a larger rectangle. Practice this few times so you understand how distance and side selection works together. So this was the offset command in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that offset is used when you need another line or shape at this fixed distance from the original. It is one of the most powerful or useful commands to create walls, boundaries, frames, parallel lines, and clean technical drawings. The most important steps are simple. Enter the distance, select the object, click the side. In the next video, we'll understand the fillet command. The fillet command is used to create rounded corners between the objects. So, in the next lesson, we'll learn how to round corners accurately in AutoCAD. I'll see you in the next lesson.